Intex 24ft by 12ft by 52 inches ultra frame rectangular pool set with sand filter pump. Intex 24ft by 12ft by 52 inches ultra frame rectangular pool set with sand filter pump, ladder, ground cloth and pool cover configuration, sand filter pump and saltwater system. Size 24 by 12 by 52. Have an amazing time with family and friends with the Intex ultra frame pool set. Engineered for strength, the ultra frame pool is supported by strong, durable steel frames which are powder coated for rust resistance and beauty. Your backyard will be the place to be all summer as your family can relax and float to splash and play. Plus, Intex ultra frame pools have improved upon their history of top-of-the-line quality with new, innovative styling and a redesigned frame structure. Hydro-aeration technology has been incorporated into the cartridge filter pump to provide improved water circulation, filtration, and clarity as well as increased negative ions at the water surface. Connect the Krystal clear sand filter pump and saltwater system to enjoy clear, sparkling water. Ready for water in 60 minutes. New dual suction outlet fittings improve water circulation resulting in better water hygiene and clarity. The newly designed ladder also provides greater support and stability. Water capacity, 90%, 403 gallon. Includes Krystal clear sand filter pump and saltwater system 600 GPH 110 to 120 volts, ladder. Ground cloth. Debris cover. Setup and maintenance DVD. Intex 24ft by 12ft by 52 inches ultra frame rectangular pool set with sand filter pump, ladder, ground cloth and pool cover. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.